Hello from Animal Kingdom.
So we already actually just rode Cali before we did this
went
video.
On Everest. So sorry for the mess.
Yeah. And then we were walking through. I'm like, oh, we forgot to say hi. So hi.
Hi. If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yes. You know, we haven't been to this park in probably a few months, so we just were like, you know what? Let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
And you know, I forgot.
What?
Because we're taking a video, we actually need to be maskless.
Oh yeah.
I totally forgot.
That's okay. We're following rules.
Yeah, we are. But guys, thank you for stopping by. We hope you enjoy this video.
Yes.
I know this is probably all going to be gone by the time you guys see this video.
Maybe not.
Maybe not, it depends. But this is really cool. So they have earth wheat. So they have all this stuff right here. Oh. They have a lunch box. But it's not glass. It's not microwavable. It's metal, I think. These are dishcloths. They're pretty cool. But they might still have some limited stuff here. Definitely check it out. Right when we were ending the video, Amber found some placemats. So if you are into this stuff, that'd be kind of cool.
They have the same logo on.
Yeah. Okay, so we found this coffee mug. Alright, we don't drink coffee, but is this even practical? But like, is it even practical to use something like this, or is this for pretty? Comment below. And they have Maleficent here too, and like, it has to be just for collecting. There's no way you could drink out of that. Alright, I'm gonna step away.
Look how tiny.
Oh, those look cool too. I don't know, Disney. We don't drink coffee, but we might start.
I collect mugs. I started that.
And you could have just our cat, and you'll look like a kitty. But look, put it up to your. You look like a kitty. So is it just us, or did everybody fall in love with their love story, Carl and Ellie's from Up? It was so sad.
It's a cookie jar.
So we found a cookie jar, everybody. There's no room for any cookies.
But that's just so pretty. This is all Up.
They have a lot of stuff of Up. But like, if you see a cast member that you really, really like and is doing a great job, you can actually give them a grape soda pen for doing a good job. Okay, so we just sat down. As you know, this is like our favorite spot. So you can actually come inside and order your food without beans if beans is not your strong suit.
If you got allergy.
You just say, hey, I need an allergy bowl, and they'll help you out. We've got a hamburger pod, and Amber is trying something new.
They're red and sweet potatoes?
Red and sweet potato hash. With garlic sauce. She's more braver than me, guys.
Yeah, but look where we're at. In the little corner, look how cool.
So, Kristen, if that is her name, was the person. You know how it is, guys. The whole badge thing, but
she's watching. You are amazing.
Yes.
And thank you for everything that you have done for us.
Yes, for sure.
It was fun talking to you.
So we're gonna eat, and yes. Guys, we are about to get on the Banshee.
It's one of our favorite rides. It's pretty cool. I'm excited.
So, I have to read this because I don't know exactly by heart. So this is the flamingo cake. It's strawberry cake filled with strawberry compote, guava frosting, and strawberry crisp pearls. And it's melting. And then this is the loggerhead turtle with green glow cube, Sprite with Granny Smith apple syrup over ice, and a gummy worm that has oh. And then this is lime rimmed.
It looks pretty. You better eat it before it melts.
I know. So this is that compote. I'm not a big strawberry person, but this is actually pretty good. The rice balls taste like the Trix cereal. It's pretty good.
Try to take it apart.
We're not big on icing, so that's why it's a mess right here. The more you know.
Ding!
Well, guys, it's the end of the day.
Yes, it is really humid today, so we're calling it an early day.
We are.
So if it's a short video, we apologize.
We actually are on our way to do something special that Amber was invited to do. So you'll see that in the next video for sure.
Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, and hit the bell notification. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the cupcake and the drink is from the Flame Tree restaurant.
Yep, by the entrance.
By the entrance, yeah. So it's really good. It was really good. I don't think we reviewed it, but it was good.
It was really good. It was worth it.
But guys, thank you for making it this far. Thanks for watching. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.